So here's all of our extra pole line right here coming out of our conduit. So check it out. You can see our conduit right here with our fiber coming out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Klein Tools polling line. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how it comes packaged. See right here in a very simple canister, letting us know that this is made in the USA and it features 500 feet. In case you're wondering, this is rated for an average of 210 pounds braking strength. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the line. So here we go, check it out. You can see the line right here, and we have this nice, easy out system. So it's gonna be simple to pull and get out as much wire as needed. So we got some quick dispensing, and it says tangle and knot free. So far you can see nothing's knotted up right here, which is pretty cool. So we'll see how that holds up long term as we get more line stretched out. But there you go, you can see the line right here. Again, we have 500 feet of it. Now let's go ahead, let's get this installed in a real application. So here's all of our extra pole line right here coming out of our conduit. So check it out, you can see our conduit right here with our fiber coming out. So really happy to have this now run through my conduit. So in the future, if I want to add another fiber line or any other additional run, we can attach our wire to this and pull it through. So I initially did do 2 of these, but I cut one a little bit longer than the other, and in the process of fishing the wires through, one of them actually went into the conduit, and it's just somewhere in there that I can't reach. So I do have one. I'm glad I ran 2 for my own user error. But so far, so good. No issues here. In the future, I mean, I'd like to see this line. You can see how it's kind of crinkling up here at the bottom. If for some reason they can make this almost more rigid in a way, that'd be nice. But for what I'm going to be using it for as a backup, if I ever need to run anything else, I'm happy and pleased with it overall. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.